Hello, this video and report provides the Guelph and Tri-City housing market stats for the month of September 2023. For the first time since May, housing prices have actually increased in Guelph. Before we analyze what this means, let's take a look at the key month-over-month stats relative to August of this year. For Guelph, the median sale price was $775,000, which is up by 1.7%. The average sale price per square foot was $516, which is up by 6.2%. The total number of listings was 310, which is up by 56.6%, and the total number of sales was 103, down by 14.2%. For the Tri-Cities, in Kitchener, the median sale price was $695,000, which is down by 3.5%. In Waterloo, it was $744,500, which is up by 3.4%. And in Cambridge, it was just over $720,000, which is down by 2.1%. I must say that I'm a little surprised to see housing prices in Guelph being higher than they were in August, especially considering that such an increase in listing inventory and a decrease in the number of sales, especially with the total number of sales being less in September than they were in August, which is very abnormal to see. To clarify, the increase in listings doesn't surprise me, as this influx is normal as summer ends and we head into the fall market. However, with an increase in inventory and sales decreasing by over 14%, one would expect prices to come down. This is exactly what happened in both Kitchener and Cambridge, while Waterloo followed Guelph's trend with a slight increase in the median sale price. Looking at the market relative to last September, the median sale prices have increased in Guelph, Waterloo, and Cambridge, with Kitchener being the only city in the Tri-City area with a decrease. And yet all the markets, with the exception of Kitchener, have seen an increase in listings and a decrease in total sales. In Kitchener, sales are actually slightly higher than they were last September. To summarize where the market is at, we can now technically say that it's in a balanced state. There's a relatively equal level of supply and demand, which should signify the return of conditional offers and stabilizing home values. Let's just see if this balance becomes the norm for the months to come. Stay tuned and you'll find out. Thanks a lot for joining me today, and have a great day.